back again with the journal, with the black and white journal. Oh, that's upside down actually, but never mind. Yep, these are all the kit pages, which aren't all going to get used, but whatever's left over I will send on to Laurie, so you will literally get the full kit. As I said, this journal can be reused time and time again by taking these out and adding your own signatures. You could even use the covers, because I'm not going to sew anything in. So yeah, the extra pages will be sent to you as well as the journal. So these all still need cutting up, which will be today's job. Doubtful I'll film that, because that'll be really boring, even sped up. These are some pieces of the cardstock that I used that I'm going to be using for the journal covers, signature covers, not journal cover, that are left over, and I'm probably going to make tags from them. There is still quite a bit of ephemera to cut out. So, like I said, that's cutting. Basically, today's job is just cutting. And I have been collecting and gathering in the meantime. So, these are from my own stash. And these are going to be added into the journal too. So, I found these awesomes. I knew I had these, but yeah, they just had to be dug out and used, because these are a matte stack, which is predominantly used for scrapbooking, and they are freaking awesome. They are all black and white. Some are kind of greyish tones, monochrome basically. But yes, and what they are, the mats, photo mats basically. So when you're scrapbooking or mini albums and stuff, you basically make a background, put your photo over the top of. I'm not explaining this very well this morning, am I? But yes, so, and I've already been through them ages ago when I got them and put them into, not categories, but designs. So there's one with flowers. That one I think should definitely go in because it says journal on it. Christmas one of them. The 2005. Some of these are old and some are Christmassy themed. Yeah, kind of snowflakey. It's like a blueprint one. Different words, still Christmassy. Numbers, circles, more flowers. The flowers are going to have to go in for sure, especially as the roses. Polka dot, well, just dots, lines, more circles, kind of retro, cool. And then we have a multitude of words, some like alphabets, just letters basically, some more squares, some more circles, some more words, cool flowers. I like these. Every time I look at these I have an urge to colour them in. I might put one of them in actually. Entertain yourself. Another one the same but black. Some more squares, slightly different than the other ones, that's why they're in a separate stack. And then we have this one, makes my eyes go funny, my camera didn't like that. And then two separate ones that kind of didn't fit into any category. I might just pop them in as well. But yes, so how awesome are them? I will not be matting anything onto them. What I will be doing though is adding these in as journal cards, because they're really good quality, thickness, and basically just perfect for this journal. So yeah, how awesome was that? And I'll still have a ton of them left over, so that's even more cool, because I'm definitely going to be doing another one of these journals for myself. Then I have a book called The Peony, which I kind of wish I'd have found whilst I was doing January's Tsunami Rose design team, because that kit was birds, bees and peonies. And look at this, it's perfect. Now I was going to put some of the pages in, but as you can see they are not black and white. They are aged. However, I may just cut some of these images out and put them in. May. Not set in stone yet, we will see. That's just some paper that I found in my stash when I was sorting through some stuff. It's been a diary of some kind and I've chopped the date off. Then we have some mini white doilies. Cute. Then I've been rooting through my 6x6 scrapbooking papers, and I found those, which will be cool, for one for each signature. Then we have some doilies, some rectangular doilies, which are cool. There's 2 of everything of these I've found. A dictionary page. This is a double spread, but I will cut it in half and then fold it. Some plain white paper. This is actually printer paper, but it's a bit thicker than normal. It's not really thick, but it's a bit thicker than normal printer paper. Then we have some music paper. I think this was from a piano book. Can't remember. But yeah, got to have music in a journal somewhere, haven't we? And then we have some black card. This is cool card, this, because it's kind of got a handmade paper feel to it, but I don't think it's handmade, because you can buy cardstock like that. And then we have some offcuts of card that I also found in my stash, some nice sparkles. Don't know how well that's showing up on the video. Just some black paper, some more sparkles. Cool. Gotta love the sparkles. It's not showing up very well, is it? And then we get to the textured paper. This paper is awesome. You guys saw not long since where I was showing that I have a load of textured papers, all different colours. Well, I found these in there, and oh, they are gorgeous. They are going in. Honestly, they're just stunning. They're more a grey really than black and white, but it fits. Then we have, these are going to struggle showing on camera, then we have these, again, slightly textured, a little bit thicker, but yeah, super shiny texture paper. Some more. This isn't textured, but it has a textured design on it, a metallic-y. So we've got these are more cream than white, but they will still work. This one, again, it has a little bit of a texture to it, but not much. A textured feel, should I say, but that is the design of this one. Then we have a few with 3 of them. There's a few of them. How cool is that? And then there's this one, which again, there's a couple of those. How cool is that? Again, it's not particularly textured, it's got a smooth finish, but it looks textured. This one, making the camera go really funny, and my eyes as well. This one, I hope you can see that. There's a few of those too. These are quite thick. And then, I think they're the same. Nope. This one kind of reminds me of the beach after the waves have gone. After the tides have been in and out, should I say, waves. Well, yeah. And then, last but not least, this one. So yes, there is the collecting and gathering supplies of my own stash to somehow, some way, incorporate into the journal as well. So that's going to be extremely fun. We're getting down to it now, guys. We're getting down to the last stretch. So, exciting. That will be another video of that though, sorting the signature papers out. Like I said, today will be mainly just cutting all the pages down to size and the rest of the ephemera. But as I said, I probably will not video that because I already have a video of me cutting some of the ephemera out, and yeah, it's not very exciting really, is it? So I have got a few other videos. Oh, also I forgot, before I go, I have a little basket here of different bits of ephemera and stuff from my stash. This I did absolutely ages ago, and this as well. I will incorporate those. This is all the cut out ephemera already, and then lace and stuff from my stash that will also be incorporated in the journal later on. But yes, like I say, so today is just going to be cutting things up basically. As I was saying, I do have other videos from different projects that I can use in between as fillers between cutting this up and making the next video. Taylor's back at school now today. You will not be seeing this today, obviously, I'm videoing ahead, but today is Monday the 9th of March. Taylor is a lot better, thank you guys for your hugs and support and get well wishes. He's read them all and he's been really happy. But yes, like I say, he's back at school today. Woohoo! It took a full week. Actually, it took 8 days actually. But yeah, from beginning to end. He's a lot better. He's back at school today. Yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, normal service will resume with regards to videoing and speaking. I'm speaking to you now because hubby has had to nip out for an errand. And like I said, it's 9:20 in the morning. I don't normally film at this time because I've only had one brew and I'm not very coherent at the moment. I usually have about 3 brews before I even dare to turn the camera on, but anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd quickly come on and do this while I had a moment and nobody was in. But I'm going to love you and leave you guys, get this edited and up, well, scheduled, and get on with things. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.